Hello traders and welcome back to the Market Crux. Let's look for the top trade ideas for tomorrow. I'll start with the Bank Nifty. So on the daily, if you see, Bank Nifty is having a pretty much V-shaped recovery right now. It is strong momentum towards upside, and some days back I also said that momentum wise it's quite strong on Bank Nifty. So where do we stand today? So if you see on the daily chart, we have a small zone which was resistance and it becomes support later on over here, and then now it is again like Bank Nifty is into the same range right now on the daily chart. We have a long wick candle over here on daily, but then how to trade tomorrow? Let's just move on to a smaller time frame and look what we can basically look for Bank Nifty in tomorrow. So if you see on the shorter time frame, 15-minute time frame over here, it's like quite evident and resistance in this area. So before 38,516 until and unless one 5-minute candle closes above this range, do not look for any buying opportunity in Bank Nifty tomorrow. Okay, so just to break out buy, which will be again about 50 points stop loss, and 1:2 risk to reward ratio is what you can look for. On the upper side, if you see, I'm moving back onto the daily. So this was the last swing on the downwards. So if we put a Fibonacci over here from top to bottom on daily, if you see, we have quite successfully a kind of very bullish candle on 50% retracement over here. Now the next stop will be 0.618, which is going to be 38,550 odd levels. So that will be the area after the breakout over here. That is what you can expect, that Bank Nifty might give you a move from 525 up till 830. So what we can expect is about 300 points move over here once the breakout happens. Let's wait, let the breakout happen. For 5-minute, Bank Nifty needs to stay about 38,525 odd levels. Then you can look for an buying opportunity. What can happen in terms of reversal? So if you see over here, this was our last swing low, and if I connect on the 15-minute time frame, we can see that Bank Nifty is very decently moving a 45-degree sloping trend line over here. So this is an I would say classic bookish style uptrend over here. Until and unless this breaks below, and again for 5-minute Bank Nifty stays below this trend line, do not look for any shorting opportunity. Let it break below. My conviction point will be somewhere over here. Let it break below this area, 38,280 odd levels, and stay for 5 minutes below this. Then you can look for an shorting opportunity. Again, 50 points would be your stop loss, and 1:2 will be your risk to reward ratio is what you are looking for on the short side. It's quite possible that once this area breaks below, you might see that again it will be retesting this 50% retracement level at 37,936. As of now, structure wise, Bank Nifty is bullish. So if you get a shorting opportunity, just make sure that you are shorting limited quantity. Do not go with a very aggressive short. We have seen from quite some time all the dips are being bought on Bank Nifty. So I would still be more inclined towards a long opportunity in Bank Nifty. Coming back to the Nifty, if you see over here, this was our head and shoulder, which I had in my previous videos marked. Just remove the drawing right now. But then if you see, this was the trend line being followed up till this point over here. All these areas were being support, and Nifty is kind of reaching into the same zone now. This might act as a resistance. So how to trade tomorrow? Let's move on the 15-minute time frame. I will not be touching Nifty on the long side anywhere below this trend line which is coming from the daily. Okay, so let it break above this trend line somewhere around 18,115 odd levels. Let it stay about 5 minutes above these levels, and then we will look for a buying opportunity. About 30 points stop loss, 60 points will be your profit target above this. Again, on the lower side, if you see, very evidently it is again following this perfect trend line over here. Without breaking this trend line, there is no shorting opportunity in Nifty. So let it break below this, stay for 5 minutes, and if you see on underneath, there is an area which is a virgin gap over here from day before yesterday. So this was the yesterday session basically, and then if you see, this was a gap up opening over here. if Nifty breaks below this trend line, the first point it will be trying to test is 17,890 odd levels. And if it moves in this area, then you can expect that this gap will also be filled till 17,825 odd levels. So there is a good possibility in coming days, not necessarily tomorrow itself, but then for tomorrow, just keep focus on this trend line, break below this 30 points stop loss is what we will be looking for. A small risk and 1:2 risk to reward ratio trade on Nifty over here. Again, momentum wise, Nifty is also bullish. So look for a breakout upside opportunity. First conviction will be breaking above the day high, today's high. And then second conviction where I will be more sure about a long opportunity in Nifty is this trend line, which will be about 18,115 odd levels, which you should be looking for. Let it break above that, stay for 5 minutes, and then we will look for trend continuations thereon. Some of the stocks which you should be keeping on your watch list can give you a real good opportunity to trade on tomorrow. First, my first pick is Adani Green. Tremendous breakout backed by very good volumes over here. A huge move has been given today, and stock is trading at its all-time high right now. So this momentum, I expect it should continue tomorrow as well. Moving on to the 15-minute time frame chart, and what we can do is basically look for and break out above this 1582 odd levels basically. So just above this, if the stock is opening, or slightly above this if the stock is opening, you can take a trade. Your stop loss is 15-minute candle low, which will be 1570 odd levels. So do not take a huge risk over here. We should be keeping about more than not more than 1% stop loss. So about 15 rupees will be your max stop loss. So 1585 odd levels you should look for a buying opportunity over here. If Adani Greens opens below 1570, then do not look for buying opportunity until and unless it breaks above once again basically. So if in case of a gap down opening, let it run, let it prove its strength, and then we will be only looking for breakout opportunities. So above today's high will be my entry. Next stock is HCL Tech. Once again, decent breakout has been given over here. If you see this area, very convincingly with a very strong bullish candle which engulfed last about 6 sessions, if you see over here, and closed above that. So in not necessarily tomorrow, but then in coming days, definitely stock is supposed to test its all-time high once again. And for tomorrow, let's move on the 15-minute time frame and look what kind of opportunity we can look for basically. So again, no shorting in HCL Tech. Let it open wherever it is opening above this level 1347. Look for an buying opportunity, and at the max your stop loss will be below this zone over here. So this will be your stop loss maximum 1335. So if you take an entry about 48 odd levels, then 35 becomes 13 rupees, which will be 1% stop loss. 1:2 risk to reward ratio you should be looking for on the long side in HCL Tech. Decent volume on 15 minutes towards the closing session today. I expect HCL Tech to continue its momentum tomorrow as well. Next pick is SBIN for tomorrow. Again, as I mentioned, Bank Nifty looks bullish. We will be looking for a bullish breakout on SBIN. Struggled quite a many times over here on daily chart if you see. So 500 to 508 rupees is the area where SBIN has been struggling from quite a many time basically. So if you see over here, this area, again, once again, it could not actually break above and fall below this particular range. Retested today once again, and we are into this gray zone over here. 508 break above that will be a tremendous opportunity to buy SBIN, and your max stop loss will be 503 odd levels. So about 5 rupees stop loss, and minimum 1:1 risk to reward ratio is what you should be looking for over here. So 5 rupees risk, 5 rupees reward, and then you can trail it even further basically. Let it convincingly open or stay below 508 for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then you can take a long entry in SBIN. Next stock for tomorrow is ICICI Bank. Once again, if you see, pretty much similar pattern like SBIN. This was the zone from where it actually crashed last time, and again retested yesterday and today. if you see a little bit of indecisive candle over here. So what makes us more convinced for taking a long entry would be break above today's high. Okay, so let it break above today's high. 815 would be my entry level, and then we will be again, if you see over here, the stock is tremendously following this 45-degree angled trend line. So your stop loss will be once again at the mix 807 would be your stop loss. That will confirm that our trend line is breaking, and this zone which is resistance from past is once again proving itself. So at 815 will be your entry, 815. 807 will be your stop loss. About uh, 8 rupees is what we are talking about as a stop loss, 1%. Once again, fitting in our criteria, 1:1 risk to reward ratio minimum is what we will be looking for, and then you can trail your trade. All 4 stocks for buying opportunities tomorrow. I don't have any short picks for the day. That's pretty much for the day. Thank you all for watching. If you like the content, please like the video, share and subscribe the channel, and do not forget to follow for upcoming videos. So just press the bell icon. Thank you.